Good afternoon, YouTube fams. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing great. Hopefully you guys are having a green day in the markets. Markets are still open for about another hour. You know what I mean? So hopefully you're in the green today, guys. As you can see in my account, this guy isn't. I am down 1,800 for the day, but it's all right because I just take a licking and I keep on ticking. I just dust myself off and I keep pushing. This is Robin Hood and Stock Talk Muhammad G. That be me. For those of you that don't know, now you know. I'm the guy that brings you the latest, the greatest, and them stocks for your radar. So hopefully your account and my account can go up in them dollar signs and we can make that dinero. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. If I look like him, like I always say, he must be good looking. This is just me sharing my thoughts and opinions as I invest in the stock market in my Robinhood account, guys. And if you guys can do me a big solid, man, and show me some mad love and help me out with that YouTube algo, guys, and destroy that like button. And it don't cost you a penny. It is free of charge. You know what I'm saying? Maybe hit that notification bell, guys, so you can be notified when I come through with these videos. Give it a fat thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Guys, we're not going to be too long, just long enough. Oh, real quick, guys, if you guys want content on cryptocurrency as well, I have a major portfolio as well in cryptocurrency. Let me know in the comments down below and we can get it on that too as well. And also, guys, if you guys would watch my videos, your guys' account would be going up, guys. You know what I mean? All these videos that I be making, not all, a lot of these videos that I've made, guys, the stocks have gone up in value. You know what I mean? Just for example, SOS, Riot, and Mara. Right, those are Bitcoin plays, right? Obviously, Bitcoin is going to the moon right now, so any stocks that are related to Bitcoin go up with it as well, guys. Why not capitalize on what's going on with Bitcoin? So I say all that to say this: if you guys would have paid attention to my video that I made 2 weeks ago, guys, and invested in and just say SOS, right? Because SOS is a hot stock right now, right? It has gone up 197% in just 1 week, guys. So just imagine 2 weeks ago when I made the video, if you would have, guys, maybe just opened up the ears and listened and maybe looked into it and did your own research, you would be sitting at over 200% gains, right? So if you would have put, say, $500, at 200%, in 2 weeks, guys, you would have made over 200% return on your investment. That's freaking good. The point I'm making is don't count me out, guys. You know what I mean? Don't count this guy out. I do my due diligence, man, because it's important for me and for you guys, right? That I put these stocks on our radar so we can benefit, man. That's the whole purpose, right? Is making them gains. All right, so let's get it. Okay, we're going to be talking about Alt Global Holdings, right? Formerly known as DPW Holdings. Okay, maybe some of you've heard of them, maybe you haven't, right? They're currently trading for a little over $6 right now, guys. So there's plenty of room, you know what I mean, to catch it, going up. Like SOS and all these other ones, right? Because these guys do mining Bitcoin and ETHEREUM and they're like a jack of all trades, guys. They do a little bit of everything, right? So I think this is a good one to put on your radar, okay? So it says Alt Holdings, right? It is a diversified holding company pursuing growth by acquiring undervalued businesses and disruptive technologies. With a global impact through its wholly and majority-owned subsidiary and strategic investments, the company provides mission-critical products that support a diverse range of industries. Automotive, telecommunications, medical/biopharma, and textiles. In addition, the company extends credit to select entrepreneurial businesses through a licensed lending subsidiary. Alt Global Holdings headquarters are located in Las Vegas. Guys, like I said, these guys are jack of all trades, man. Let's get into a little bit of the fundamentals about these guys, right? So, guys, these guys reported their strongest balance sheet in the company's history, guys, right? They are a $287 million market cap company, right? So by far they're, a smaller company, right? But nonetheless, there's still plenty of room, right, for growth, for financial growth for you and I, guys, to capitalize on their gains, right? It says Alt Global Holdings, their strongest balance sheet in the company's history was $45 million in cash and securities, right? They are positioned to fund growth initiatives, including their cloud and enterprise data center facility and electric vehicle charge system line and Bitcoin mining, right, guys? They do it all, man. They're doing stuff that is now, stuff that is needed now, right? The demand for charging stations, for charging stations for EV vehicles is now. Bitcoin now, right? Cloud and data now, right? These guys know what they're doing, right? They have eliminated $12 million of their debt and deployed an additional $8 million in cash for its acquisitions of Relic Electronics and the purchases of its cloud and data enterprise center in Michigan, right, guys? They just acquired a business in Michigan, right, which they call the facility, which we'll read about that here in a sec, right? They have well positioned themselves to capitalize on its primary growth initiatives for 2021, right? Including the rollout of QILL technologies, electric vehicles, charge and energy storage systems, and the build-out of its cloud enterprise data center, and the resumption of Bitcoin mining leverage. I can't even read my notes here, right? Yes, there's a resumption of Bitcoin mining, leveraging the sustained rise in day-by-day acceptance of Bitcoin by the low cost of energy of the Michigan facility. Right, guys? Like I said, they just located not to purchase, right? The facility in Michigan, right? Which is where they're going to mine Bitcoin, right, guys? So, right, and BlackRock, guys, owns $3.3 million worth of shares for this company. Vanguard owns 1.8 million of shares, and Goldman Sachs owns a little over 300K, guys. So combined through those three major hedge funds, right, they own over 5 million in shares, guys. And you guys always know, as I say, big institutional investors are not going to invest in companies they don't see profit from. Bottom line, they're not going to put millions of dollars of theirs and their clients and something that, well, we don't know. You know what I mean? I mean, it's still risky nonetheless, right? But for the most part, they do their own due diligence, right? They do their research, obviously, right? And then that's when they, buy millions of dollars worth of shares, and that's what they have, right? So that's why I think this is a good one to put on your radar, guys. And not just that, the chairman and CEO, right, guys, in three different times, right, in a 5-day span, he bought shares of the company, right? Over 100,000 shares. He bought back in December, right? So just a couple months ago, right? So obviously he sees something in his own company, right? And like I said, they have a market cap of 278 million, right? And they're currently trading for $6.24, right? They were up 10% yesterday, right, guys? 10% for the day, and today they're up. I think 7. They were up like 6%, guys. I can't look right now, right? Because I'm reading my notes. Right, guys? But nonetheless, I meant to make this video yesterday, guys, for you guys, so you guys could have caught it going up today, you know what I mean? But there's still plenty of chance, guys, so just put them on your research, right? Their first level of resistance, guys, is at 676 right now, guys, right? And they're sitting at 624. Actually, you know what? Let's just get into it and see right now, what are they going for? Okay, guys, let's look them up. Oh, my screen went out. Where am I at? Okay, there I am. Okay, let's look them up real quick so we can see. DWP Holdings. Alt, right? Alt Holdings. There we go, guys. Oh, wow, they're at 722 right now, guys. They've gone up. Darn it. They've gone up 15%. Holy smokes, guys. I haven't looked at it since this morning, guys. Put the camera back up there. All right. Man, they've gone up 15%, guys. Man, I should have sent this video out yesterday, man. I meant to, right? So, right now, they're at 719, and their second level of resistance, guys, is at 728. So, they might get a little bit of a fight right now, you know what I mean? A little struggle, but if not, they go past that. Their third level of resistance, guys, is at 767, right? And if they go past that, then obviously it's to the moon, and hopefully that's what we want them to do, right? If you're invested in them, I am. I bought some shares this morning, guys. Right, and their first level of support is at 585. Second level is at 546. And that third level of resistance, of support, rather, sorry, guys, is at 496. I don't see it dipping any lower than, say, $6, guys, right now, because of, they're obviously correlated with Bitcoin because they mine Bitcoin, guys. So I truly believe it's going to continue to shoot up just like SOS, right? And analysts are giving it a price target of $9.96 for 2021, right, guys? From between now and the end of 2021. But I think it's going to smash past that easily, guys. It's already at 717. Like I said, they got that level of resistance coming up. But in my opinion, I think it'll hit probably $10 here within the next 3 months or sooner. That's just my opinion, right? And they're giving it a increase of 54% per year, guys, right? So per year, they're expecting it to go up 54%. I just wanted to read a little bit of what else they're into, guys, so you see why I am bullish on this company, right? Because like I said, they're a jack of all trades, man, right? Adult Alt Global Holdings, right, formerly known as DPWs, they entered an agreement to purchase 9.9 equity interest in Security Institutements, which is the manufacturer and distributor of safety security devices, right? They have acquired Gresham Worldwide Global Defense Relec Electronics in the UK. They also have acquired 617 square feet, 617,000 square feet in Michigan, right? Mixed use facility with maximum power capacity of 300 MW, which is being converted to a cloud data center offering multi-megawatt hyperscale requirements, right? Which will provide up to 54 million in gross revenue, 17 to 22 million in net operating income, and is expected to reach revenue of over $108 billion, guys, by 2025, right? With its hyperscale data center. They were awarded a 1.1 million military contract for power solutions and satellite control and tactical systems. Like I said, guys, these guys are jack of all trades. They are in everything, guys, right? They are trying to make that money, right? They're smart. They know what they're investing in multiple things, not just mining Bitcoin, right, guys? You know what I mean? Then they beginning March 1st, 2021, right, which is right around the corner. March Global Holdings will start digital power lending to provide business loans collateralized by Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically, they're going to lend out money, right, to people, with them give them Bitcoin or Ethereum, and they're going to lend you money, right? Like BlockFi or Nexo, right? If you guys don't know who those guys are, right? They're people that if instead of selling your cryptocurrency, like your Bitcoin, for example, you give them $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, and they'll give you, say, $5,000 or $6,000, like half, right? They'll give you $5,000 or $6,000 back in either it's USDC, right, which is a stable coin that's pegged to the dollar, or they'll give you Bitcoin back or whatever. The bottom line is so you don't have to not sell your cryptocurrency, right? You could just basically lend it out, and they give you something back in return, and you pay back with whatever their terms are, right? And then also Alt Global Holdings, Cooley's power electronic business received purchase orders for 5,000 electric vehicle charging units worth 1.7 million, and is expected to receive orders for a substantially greater number of charging stations, and they are compatible with Tesla's vehicles, which is always a plus, right? I'm almost done, guys. Alt Global Holdings, formerly known also as oh no, that was my other note, right, guys? I'm over here in all of my notes. I'm trying to get all my notes, right? Actually, that is all my notes, guys. So, like I said, guys, Alt Global Holdings, look them up, do your own research. Like I said, man, they're into mining Bitcoin. They're into the charging stations of EV vehicles. So many things, guys. You can see they've shot up 15% today, guys, and I think there's plenty more room to do. This is Robin Hood and Stock Talk with Jaime G. Hopefully you found this video useful. I'll be coming at you guys with another video later today. Peace! Where is that thing at?